She's also sent us an SMS, so since we can't reach her, it's the SMS. The Parul Jain has sent us this SMS from Bhilai. She would like to know if investing in equity diversified mutual funds is a good idea and would like a few recommendations on which funds.
So this is a very general question. So yes, obviously it's a good idea. It depends on your risk profile. So obviously if you want to invest in equity, you would have a certain risk profile. It also depends on the period. So if you want to invest in equity, you obviously looking at a period of at least 5 to 7 years, if not higher.
So do you take one fund which is diversified into large cap, mid cap, all say top 200 like HDFC has, or should you buy one large cap fund, one mid cap fund? How should you go about it?
So there are various theories around it. I think what we like to recommend is, one, you should have different portfolio for different goals. So that itself gives you more than one fund, and typically earmark a fund for a particular goal. Having said that, certain portion of your portfolio should be large cap, obviously conservative, and if it is large enough, then maybe a smaller portion to a mid cap. And if you have an expertise, then maybe a sectoral fund if you have expertise in that sector.
Okay, fair enough, Harsh. Thanks very much for joining in and taking us through that those personal finance queries. Do remember that you can also catch more personal finance details and portfolio analysis by logging on just on to moneycontrol.com. But let's get a quick wrap up on the F&O space and what's taking place there as well. Nigel D'Souza